So we got a support call the other day. 2023 GMC Sierra. They were doing a windshield replacement and it came in with a couple of codes, primarily U3049. Now, when we pull this up in service information, this code specifically states there's an internal malfunction with the camera, normally linked to the camera being dead. This has been a big problem in the industry where cameras are frying out well before even their factory warranty is expired. There is a TSB on this vehicle. Let's dive in, take a look, see if we can bring this thing back to life. So we get the TSB pulled up. Note that this is for Silverados as well as Sierras 2022 and newer. Essentially what the TSB calls out is the camera trips and it starts pulling power when it's not supposed to. The quick fix that we can attempt is we're going to pull fuse F11DR. We're going to keep it disconnected for at least a minute, reinsert it, cycle the ignition back on. We're then going to try and clear the codes. If it clears, we need to try and run the dynamic recalibration. In our situation, we couldn't get the code to clear. Now, if it clears and then it fails calibration again, it could be a completely different situation. But in our case, code would not clear. It would not allow us to try and run the calibration. Our only option is going to be to replace, program, and calibrate. Now, the reason we highlight this support call is this is a growing trend that we're seeing when it comes to the GM cameras nationwide. Whether they get stuck at 94%, they're burning up after just a couple of years, they require replacement, you got serial data gateway issues. The problems keep persisting. The more you know, the better informed you can be, as well as informing your customer. And the best way to stay informed is to be a member of the ADAS network. In the forum, our searchable database, you'll find everything from pre-scan assistance questions down to TSBs just like this one. With an average response time of 3 minutes, any question will be answered quickly and will give you the full diagnostic procedure.
Join the ADAS network, the one and only community powered by ADAS professionals.